Anong sagot dyan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. The first thing na kailangan nyo ingatan dito ay yung fact na 0.2% is not the same as 2%. At tendency kasi ng iba, nawawaglit nila yan. Malaki kasi pinagkaiba niyan. Kasi ang value ng 2% is 0.02, pero ang 0.2%, I will start from this decimal point, move it twice to the left, so 1, 2, add a 0 right here, at dito yung decimal na yan. So, ang 0.2% is actually 0.002, hindi 0.02. Now, kung gusto ko siyang i-multiply na lang, pwede naman 450 times 0.002, or I can use a few tricks to make it easier for myself. Yung 450 kasi, may 0 siya sa dulo, which I can use to move this decimal point pakanan. Para instead of solving this, I can just look at this as 45 times 2%. Or ano ang 2% ng 45? Madali nito i-mental math kasi ang 10% ng 45 is just moving the decimal place 1 time to the left or 4.5. At kung gusto ko naman kunin ang 1%, I will just move that decimal place one more time to get to 0.45. Dahil 2% ang hinahanap natin, pwede akong magdagdag ng isa pang 1% or isa pang 0.45 para lumabas ang 0.9, which is the final answer. Pero of course, pwede ko rin naman siyang isolve by multiplication. Check natin kung tama ba yung nakuha kong sagot. Para mas madaling mag-multiply, we cancel this. We move this one space here. So here you have 45 times 0.02. Pareho lang doon sa 45 times 2%. Tapos to multiply it, you go 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1, that is 9. Wala nang numbers, so magsisimula na tayo magbilang ng decimals. Here, para mawala lahat ng decimals dito sa mga minumultiply natin, you need to move it 1, 2, twice to the right. We'll do the opposite sa ilalim. To the left naman tayo, 1, 2. So the final answer is also 0.9. As you can see, pareho lang yung sagot. This is one of those questions na parang time-consuming pagdating sa exams. Pero kung alam mo yung fundamentals mo and you have a few tricks up your sleeve, madali lang pala. Alright, now it's your turn. Anong sagot dyan? Comment nyo sa baba and don't forget to follow me for more.